Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we are bringing you a beautiful Vermilion Fire XY GT replica. This is built out of Falcon 500, 12th month 71, so one of the last of the XYs. This is a really good value car, 4V heads, top loader, 9-inch diff, really nice black trim, 36-gallon tank. I'll just show you inside the car, and we'll get so really nicely done GDHO style, beautiful black trim, good crash pad, all GT instrumentation, and beautiful trim inside. Really good doors, like no rust. Very nicely done. I'll show you underneath the bonnet. So here we've got, here we go, 1271 Falcon 500. It was a 6-cylinder bronze wine saddle trim car. Now 4V square block 351 with a Holly. Electronic ignition, but you know, done really nicely. GT bonnet, and not asking a lot of money, only asking in the 80s. So very good entry-level car, and we'll just hear it blast off. Listen to the nice burble out of the back. Wonderful. Put a smile on your face. Vermilion black trim Falcon GT replica. If you're interested, call Mike Selby 0414 278 604 or see more photos on australianmusclecarsales.com.au. Thank you for watching.